Alright, so in this video we will learn about the class selector in HTML and CSS, how we can use that. For example, when you want to style multiple elements with the same styles, you can use the class for that. So what I can do, I can go here in the li and do class, and here I can do something like list item, and we can use classes as much as we want and in any of the the elements as we want. Okay, so we have used this. So this is the list item, and for example, for this list item, list 3 and list 5, what I want to do, I want to change the background to something like brown or something like that, and I want to change the text color as well. Right now if I go here, as you can see, there is nothing. Right, so just by using classes will not change the appearances. We have to add the CSS for that. So what I will do, I will go to the code editor, and here what I'll do, so to select the ID we use the hash symbol, but to select the class we have to use the dot symbol. So dot, and then what we have, list dash item, right? And let's do background color to something like this, and I will change that in the color picker basically. So what I can do, I can change it to something like this. Okay, yeah, something like this, and the color, okay, give me a second. So color to white dash fff. All right, now if I go here, so here is our classes. So if I go to the browser, and now as you can see that list item number 3 and 5 has changed their styles. And to one thing to note here is that the list items which did not have the classes nor the IDs did not change at all. So what does this mean? So we are selecting a specific element and styling that out. And for the classes, it is a group of elements basically. So many of the times, for example, you are creating a button or a paragraph and you want to use the same styles again and again and again. So what you can do, you can create a class and then apply that class to all of the paragraphs which you want to style. If there is only one element, for example, just like this list item 1, where you want to apply a specific style, then you want to use the ID selector for that. Okay, so this is basically the basics. And also you might be thinking, okay, so we have applied the same classes to the list item, can we use that to other items as well? For example, for this h2, obviously we can. So class, and then we can do list item and hit save basically, and go to the browser. Okay, not items, this is the item. Okay, list item, and now our h2 is styled as well. So we can create the classes by which we can repeat the styles again and again and again for different elements, or for the same elements but for the multiple elements, right? So yeah, so this is basically the class selector in HTML and CSS.